So everyone is talking about making money with AI these days, but honestly, most AI side hustle videos and courses are straight up lying to you. As it turns out, you can't just plug in a couple of sentences into ChatGPT and expect to become a millionaire overnight. The real way people are making serious cash with AI is by leveraging it to scale side hustles that are already proven to print cash. This means scaling faster, reducing costs, and ultimately getting more sales and revenue. And that's why in today's video, I'm sharing 5 realistic and awesome AI-powered side hustles that have massive potential for this year and beyond. And again, this isn't about clever prompts you're going to plug into ChatGPT and hope that you strike it rich. This is about leveraging AI tools, workflows, and concepts to accelerate your side hustles and to ultimately make more money. I'm going to be sharing some really cool examples in this one of successful side hustlers who have made bank, and I'm also sharing my exact YouTube framework and some other awesome tools I'm using to pump out content and to ultimately make money at a much faster rate. Anyone can do the same thing, which is why this is so excited. I'm really pumped up for this video. I hope you guys are too. Definitely watch until the end. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So the first AI-powered side hustle I wanted to cover involves using AI to sell print-on-demand products. Now, I've covered print-on-demand or POD on this channel before, and in some of those videos, I've shared examples of really clever side hustlers making thousands and thousands of dollars by selling print-on-demand products. I mean, just take a look at this Etsy shop as an example. It's called the Brassavool store, and it specializes in selling Halloween merchandise like t-shirts and other seasonal apparel. Now, this shop has over 7,000 sales, and with an average product price of around $25, that means this Etsy shop alone has made over $150,000 by selling these kinds of products. And now here's the beautiful thing. In the past, you definitely had to have some graphic design skill to really get into the print-on-demand market, but AI has completely changed this. For example, you can now use leading print-on-demand companies like Printify to quickly design and sell hundreds of popular print-on-demand products on marketplaces like Etsy or platforms like Shopify. Now, in case you're unfamiliar, print-on-demand and companies like Printify are super cool and super beginner-friendly. Essentially, with this business model, you create unique designs that you upload to products you want to sell, like t-shirts, hats, stickers, things like that. And then you list those products for sale on your chosen marketplace or your own online store. When you make a sale, Printify actually works with production partners to manufacture and ship the product directly to your customer. So you generate revenue, you focus on scaling your store, and you never have to worry about logistics, shipping, dealing with customers, or things like that. Now, Printify is the print-on-demand company I've been using for years. I tested them back in college and I use them currently, and they let you create and sell over 1,300 products, including some really cool ones like hats, stickers, phone cases, pillows, hoodies, bags, mugs, and much more. But really the cool thing I wanted to highlight here involving AI is that Printify now has an AI image generation tool built into its product design tool. This means that you can give Printify simple text prompts about the kinds of designs that you want. Its AI image generation tool then works to create images that are ready to add right to the products you're designing. This is honestly making print on demand faster and cheaper than ever before. And again, you don't have to be a graphic design expert. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on Fiverr hiring designers. You can use Printify from beginning to end and power your entire business. And really, if you're a clever marketer who can spot the right niches or seasonal trends or even current events, there is a gold mine out there in the print on demand space. I mean, there's nothing stopping you from ripping off this Halloween store that I just shared. You can use Printify's image generation tool to design similar images because you know these ones sell, upload them to t-shirts, stickers, mugs, all kinds of seasonal apparel. And you don't have to stick with just Etsy either. One thing I like about Printify is that it integrates with Shopify, WordPress, and even platforms like TikTok Shopping. So there's tons of avenues you can explore. And what I really like about this AI side hustle as well is that you can start out for completely free. Now, Printify actually has a free plan. You don't even have to put in your credit card. You can sign up with your email, and this lets you design unlimited products, which is honestly really cool. A premium plan is available once you start scaling and you want to get slightly better margins on your products, but you can start out completely for free, which is again why I'm a huge fan of this AI-powered side hustle. I think it's super cool, and I'll be linking Printify down below if you guys want to check them out and start selling your own products. All right, guys, and the second AI-powered side hustle I wanted to talk about is building YouTube channels, niche YouTube channels, by leveraging AI tools. Now, right now, everyone in this space is talking about making faceless channels, AI shorts channels, and basically spamming YouTube with a bunch of this AI generated content as quickly as possible. Now, this isn't what I suggest doing. These strategies can honestly work, but the issue with a lot of faceless channels is one, that they're difficult to monetize because oftentimes YouTube rejects them from the partner program because of low quality content. And secondly, you have to know how to edit. You can't just type in text prompts into some image generation tool or video creation tool or ChatGPT and expect it to create short form clips or long form content that actually does well on YouTube. That said, AI tools are making it cheaper and faster and easier than ever before to publish really high quality content on YouTube that makes a lot of money. In fact, I'm now using various tools and strategies to seriously increase my content production. And I've even started a new niche channel largely by using AI tools that's now making me semi-passive income every single month. You can do the exact same thing even without any video editing experience. So I'm going to share some of my workflow with you guys. I don't want to gatekeep anything here, to help you guys start your own niche channels. And so first off, you can obviously use a tool like ChatGPT to create YouTube scripts for you. And with the right prompts, it can actually do a decent job, especially as it learns more of what you like and dislike. But one thing I like to do is I use a free tool called Tactic to convert YouTube videos into scripts. I then take those scripts, post them into ChatGPT, tell it to basically make it more scannable so it's easy to read while I'm filming, and then I make some of my own improvements to the existing base. This is a very good tactic because you're basically taking scripts from videos you know are ranking and doing really well. You're using AI to kind of put your own spin on it and to make it easier to read, and then you're really shortening the amount of time and money and investment this whole scripting process takes. Anyways, that's kind of how I'm handling scripts at the moment. And then after I film, this is where the magic involving AI really starts to happen. Once I have my raw video file, I upload it into a new tool called Gling.ai. And so Gling is super cool. And with just a few clicks, it will remove all of my talking mistakes, remove empty silence, add captions automatically, and it can even do things like add B-roll or zoom in and out and basically edit your video to have better viewer retention. Its editor is also super easy, like you can just edit clips on the fly and then export it to a final product. And this thing alone, Gling, is saving me tens of hours every single week. It costs like $10 a month at its cheapest plan. Honestly, guys, it's been a game changer for my YouTube channels. This isn't an ad for Gling or anything. They're not even sponsoring this video. I just love using the tool. I discovered it recently. And frankly, for anyone starting a new YouTube channel or anyone who wants to earn passive income on YouTube or make niche YouTube channels, this in your workflow is going to be an absolute game changer. Again, I'm using Gling right now to scale my new travel channel, and it's growing pretty well. It's making a couple $100s per month, sometimes in AdSense. And again, Gling is basically powering all of this video production, and it's way faster than anything I've ever done before. Now, I'll link Gling down below if you guys do want to check it out. And I'm also going to be creating a new kind of YouTube side hustle blueprint of sorts. I'm pretty excited to share this one with you guys soon. So you can comment down below YouTube AI side hustle or just comment that you want the blueprint, and I'll send it to you for free when it's finally done. All right, guys, and the third AI side hustle I wanted to cover involves AI-powered affiliate marketing. And honestly, I love this idea because there's really numerous paths you can take to leverage AI tools and strategies to really scale up an affiliate marketing-based business. Now, one prime example is to basically use AI to dive into the world of influencer marketing. Now, I actually covered this in a recent video where I took a look behind the scenes at how AI influencers like Aitana Lopez are making so much money despite being a completely fake AI-generated influencer. Seriously, influencers like Aitana are making so much money through things like brand deals, affiliate marketing, the Amazon affiliate program, selling subscriptions on FanView, and all of these clever monetization paths. Again, I have a video on this topic. I'll put it in the card above if you guys want a behind the scenes look, but I think this is a massive opportunity for this year and moving forwards. But another really cool and clever way people are making money with AI is by basically creating user-generated content using AI actors that then promote an affiliate offer. So this is basically AI UGC advertising or user-generated content advertising. And there are some super clever examples on TikTok or Instagram of affiliate marketers making a lot of money with this strategy. For example, I found this page on TikTok where this is basically an influencer talking about different beauty products and skincare products, and then she directs people to an Amazon affiliate website and page. But here's the thing, this is 100% an AI actor, it's an AI avatar, it's not an actual human, but you honestly wouldn't really know by watching this content and then, again, going to Amazon and purchasing these products, which pays them a commission. I'm even trying this out right now by using a tool called arcads.ai, and here's a quick video I made to promote FreeCash, which is a popular GPT website I've covered on this channel before. I'll play it for you guys right now.
Want to make money just by playing games? This website actually pays you. It's called FreeCash, and yes, it's 100% legit. You get paid to download apps, play games, and complete simple tasks. I tried it myself, played a game for 10 minutes, and boom, I made a few bucks. You can cash out with PayPal, crypto, or even gift cards. Links in my bio. Sign up and start earning today. Why not get paid while having fun?
Yeah, honestly, this video took like 5 minutes to make using Arcads. It was super easy. Arcads has all of these different AI avatars and actors you can choose from, and it is super cheap. It's much faster than using humans, and you can test and scale really quickly. Finally, you can use various AI tools to effectively repurpose your content or just scale up your affiliate marketing business and content marketing business a lot faster. For example, a single piece of long-form content can be turned into shorts, blog posts, email marketing newsletters, social media graphics or posts, really in just a couple of clicks by leveraging ChatGPT, Opus Clips, and a lot of the other AI repurposing tools out there. As an affiliate marketer myself, I'm going to be testing all of these ideas as well. I'm really excited about the future of AI and how it helps people make money with affiliate marketing. So definitely subscribe or leave a comment if you're curious about this topic, because I want to cover it a lot more. All right, guys, and the fourth AI side hustle you can consider for this year and moving forwards is to get involved in AI education or AI consulting in some way, shape, or form. So according to Glassdoor, right now AI machine learning engineers in Canada are making upwards of $130,000 per year. And in the US, it's not uncommon for AI engineers or machine learning engineers to make $150,000 to $200,000 or more, sometimes much, much more, especially if they're working at startups that have venture capital funding. The simple fact is that right now we're in an economy where learning AI tools, learning machine learning, and just kind of understanding this industry is going to give you a competitive advantage. And so if you're currently a bit younger and you're thinking about going to school for something, my advice would definitely be to kind of look into this, look into some program that has machine learning, computer science that involves a lot of math, or something that can involve AI. But outside of the educational path and then the job market, there's also a ton of money to be made on the AI consulting side of things as businesses try to adopt this new technology. I mean, the next few years are going to have a wave of AI agencies offering implementation training, SOPs, custom-made automation tools, and basically advice for businesses that are trying to adopt all this new technology. I mean, you can already find people on Fiverr selling AI automation workflows or selling AI training. Again, there's a lot of money on the consulting side. So if you can learn these tools and then package it as a service for a business or a freelancer or another agency, there is honestly a ton of money in this space. And really, guys, that brings me to the fifth side hustle and how I kind of want to wrap up this video. And it's a bit less of a side hustle, but it's more of a way to approach AI as a way to make money and kind of the framework you can think about it. Like I mentioned in the intro, there's no single magical tool out there where you can type in a couple of prompts or you can basically automate everything 100% and have AI just magically make you money. Guys, I wish this existed, but if it did, everyone would be doing it and then it wouldn't be valuable to the marketplace anymore and it would quickly disappear. When you see people out there saying, oh, just use a few ChatGPT prompts and sell this service off of ChatGPT, guys, this isn't working. This isn't delivering the quality output that's necessary to have a competitive offer that people buy over and over again. The real way people are leveraging AI to make money involves reducing costs, scaling their businesses faster, and testing new ideas quicker. And really, I think this is the right framework to approach any kind of AI side hustle or business model you're thinking about starting. You should be thinking, what tools can I learn to basically make my workflow a lot faster? What tools can I implement to make my costs lower? And how can you leverage AI and keep on learning to stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive? For me personally, I'm trying out a couple of things right now. For example, ChatGPT and Claude are how I produce a lot of my blog content and then email content that goes out to people. This is all content that is very affiliate rich. So pretty much every blog post I'm posting, every email I'm sending, it's making some kind of revenue through affiliate marketing. and I'm now doing this at a much broader scale. Like I mentioned, I'm also a huge fan of ChatGPT for YouTube scripts and then putting it into Gling AI to really speed up YouTube production. This is something you can consider as well. There's AI image generation tools. Again, Printify has an awesome tool built right into their product design tool. You can use Midjourney. There are so many ways to also create amazing graphics that you then put on products and sell. I mean, I'm even making thumbnails now by using Opus Clip's new thumbnail generator. There are so many tools coming out every single week that are removing barriers to entry and letting people scale their side hustles much faster. Ultimately, I encourage you guys to pick at least one business model or side hustle from this video or something similar you have your eyes on and just apply yourself and start learning some AI tools that can help you along the way. It might seem intimidating, and frankly, I was a bit of a late adopter for some of this stuff. I'm an old school blogger. I didn't want to use ChatGPT. I didn't want to learn these tools. But once you start, I promise you really can't stop because it's incredibly exciting and it really helps you get results a lot faster. Really, guys, the game is changing. The world of making money online is changing. Things are more competitive, but there's also fewer barriers to entry. So if you learn the right tools and apply yourself, you can get that competitive edge and you can find success. I know this was a bit of a different video than normal, but I'm curious what you guys think. And if there's an AI side hustle you're going to try, or there's some you're skeptical of, or whatever your thoughts are, I'd love to hear from you guys down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and for all of the support as well. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day and week. I'll catch you guys in the next one.